I hear about K21 Academy, then I go through the profile of K21. Then I noticed that you guys will have good things to offer based on technology, especially in cloud market. Then I decided to join the ship. Nowadays, we notice that we have AI who is in the system, who are going to take off a lot of job. So if you want to prepare yourself for the future, everything is, they are shipping every technology to the cloud. So you have to know how about the cloud, how to manage the cloud, how to secure apps and words in the cloud. That is the main reason why I decided to join the cloud team. With K21 Academy, I learned a lot. First of all, the first one is based on the communication. The teachers are reliable. Then we have a great support service. Not only that, we have access of a lot of labs and infrastructure that can help you to understand the learning based on your choices. Yes, learning at K21 helped me a lot because, as I said this formally, I did some certification. So I learned about some cloud services like Azure, AWS. But I noticed with K21, the learning is deeper. K21 are going deeper in the learning process that can show you more about your expectations. I can say that is the same thing you encounter on job market. Based on my certification in CK, it was a flexible courses that we has been doing during the weekend. So we have a great teacher who is Mudasir, and that I appreciate a lot because he's giving us a lot of explanation based on real problem and real standard. So based on that, I love the way how you can create Dockers and how you can manipulate it. Then I go through the labs on K21 platform. Then I follow up on the advices of the teacher of Mudasi and the specific cases that he gave us on class. Then I did all of that. Then after that, I just prepare for the exam like he instructed us. Then everything was okay. Then I clear it. The next steps for me is to get a good job in cloud, based on cloud experiences, to learn more and to get more experience in cloud technology. I'm still continuing to learn from K21 Academy because I want to add on top of that Azure, AWS, Jenkins, and DevOps. like I said, it was a great moment for me when I started with K21 Academy. I had also referenced two of my colleagues. Then they started and continue to talk about the experience and the greeting based on the cloud experience with K21 Academy around me. Everyone I know at the IT field. For those who are going to listen to our discussion this morning, and then I just want to encourage them, don't give up, and try to be the best of yourself. And with the help of the K21 Academy, if you have any job, you can just go through the support of the academy, and they will help you out. And there are a lot of jobs and the cloud field that we need everybody to come over and to work on that.